Okay, let us see how to create the first problem in 11th week. Okay, this problem. Let us do the front view. This side, this 5, 50, 15, 5, 20, like that. We will draw the front view, including this triangular shape. Okay, this triangle is 20. This radius is 10. Dia is 20. From here to here, dia is 20. So radius will be 10. 20 plus 10 will gives you this height. Inclined height 30. Okay, 30, and this is the perpendicular to this. Let us draw that 2D diagram first in front view. Let us move on to AUTOCAD. Type the basic commands, units, limits, everything. Units, enter. Units, I am typing again, enter. Then you set the basic commands. Okay, single digit millimeter. Okay, then limits. Lower left corner 0, upper right corner maybe this sheet size 420, 297 is there. I enter the same. Then zoom, enter, all, enter. Okay. Now view, you can change the view into front view. Views can be changed. This is main menu to change the views. This is shortcut. Okay. Switch off grid, and this is disturbing. If you go for view and disable this. Okay. Now let us draw that line using line command. We will draw that shape with awesome mode on straight line. Okay. 5. Okay. Then this is 45 and down 15. This is 5 again. This is 20, and you can go for close 50. Enter. Okay. Now this is drawn. The top, we'll have a look. This inverted L shape is drawn. The top 45 degree, this triangular shape should be drawn. For that you draw a straight line of 30 and in horizontal line and rotate that line to 45 degree. We will draw in that. Okay, front view itself. Okay, again move on to AUTOCAD and you take line from here. You draw straight line of 30. Enter. Here endless line. Okay, later we will trim. This line is more than this base. Okay, approximate line you draw. Then you go for rotate command. This should be 90 degree with the horizontal. These two lines should be rotated 45 degree in order to get that shape. So you go for rotate. Select this line as well as this line. Enter. Base point, about this point we need to rotate 45 degree. Enter 45 value, and you will get the inverted L shape like that. Then you go for trim the unwanted portions 1, 2. Okay, you will have the required front view. Then you move on to isometric view. Yes, southeast isometric, or you can go for southwest. It is okay. Now let us extrude these two profiles, two closed areas up to whatever you are having. This triangle should be extruded 20 mm, and this inverted L shape should be extruded up to 30 mm. Okay, 20, here it is given 30. So 20, 30. both profile. This top one extruded, it is having same edge here, even though we can extrude this using press pull command. Okay, go for solid and press pull. Home also you are having that here, press pull, that command is, take that command and it will check box, pick box will come. You select this area first and show the direction of extrude, and you enter the value 20, that should be entered 20 extruded. Okay, thereafter you select this area and the same way you show the direction of extrusion either front or back side, not in the front side. Okay, whatever extruded that triangle in the same side you extrude, how much that should be extruded as 30, enter. Okay, now two solids created. Now this solid is 5 mm should be moved that side because this edge is in the same corner. Okay, so it is in the middle of this 30. This 20 is in the middle of this 30. So let us move the top solid. Take move command, select object, enter. From here or anywhere you can click. Show the direction of movement, provided your ortho mode should be switched on. Okay, you have to keep it in isometric view and ortho mode switched on. Then you show the direction of movement and enter. How much distance? 5 mm, 5, enter. It is placed in the middle. Okay, you can go for solid and see it. Realistic, you can see that it is placed. The remaining sketch will be there, that you can select and delete. Okay, what are the sketch you are remaining, that sketches can be selected and deleted. Okay, to avoid confusion. Okay, then you keep it in wireframe mode again. Then after this, let us go for solid and you can fillet these edges. This edge and this edge should be fillet. Fillet edge, and you give the radius value. Value of radius is 10. Enter. This edge as well as this edge. Enter. You will get the shape, required shape. If you see that, you can see that that is the required shape. You will have this edge, unwanted sketch line, remaining sketch line you delete. Thereafter, let us take the circle. Okay, here 2 holes, here also 2 holes. You go for, this is left or right side view. Right side view. Okay, now you draw a circle of radius. What is the radius of the circle? We will refer that. These 2. Diameter is 5. 4 circles of diameter 5. Here 2 circles, here 2 circles. All the circles having same diameter 5. Okay, we will do that. Circle of diameter you take, you draw here 5. Enter, and you can go for mirror command. Modify mirror. This circle you taken and mid. You type mid, MID. You catch that. And select the vertical 2 points, enter, that is mirrored. Then you come to the isometric view. Okay, it is out of the object, let it be, and you can go for mirroring. Okay, and we need to move that. Again go to right side view. It is in the corner, accordingly it will move 5 mm, 5 mm. Okay, then you move command, select object, enter 5, and again move command, take move command, select object 5. Okay, similar way you move this also, because it is in the corner. Okay, 5 this side, and then again take move step by step, horizontal and then vertical. Okay, 5. Now it is located, and go to isometric view. Okay, now these two sketches will be extruded. Extrude, select both and enter, and you keep away from this edge. You extrude it beyond this edge, and then go for subtraction, select bigger solid, enter, then smaller solid next. You will get a hole. Similar way, let us go for top view. Here you create a hole, same size hole, diameter circle at the corner first. Then you move it, locate it. Thereafter we will mirror. Okay, this side 5, and again move this side 5, and go for mirror. Select one, and then you mirror that sketch with respect to horizontal midpoint. Okay, MID. When searching midpoint, you type MID, enter. It will show the midpoint. With respect to middle, you mirror it, and then come to horizontal isometric view. See that two holes are at the bottom. You can go for extrude. Select 1 and 2, enter, it will be starts extruding. Then subtract, select bigger, enter, select the cylindrical shape to be subtracted. The hole is created. You ensure that everything with the realistic mode, you can ensure that all the holes, 4 holes are created. Okay. Now here remaining thing, here one hole. Okay, so you go for wireframe mode. Again, let us create hole first. So you set the UCS. We are going to create the circle here. UCS 3-point method. UCS means working plane setting. Okay. We are going to draw a circle on that surface. So initially origin, this one, E and D, end point, E and D. Okay, this is X, then this will be Y. Now if you draw one circle, it will be that circle diameter will refer. The circle is bigger one, dia 7.5. Okay. Diameter, you take the diameter option, circle, and you search for the center point. C and midpoint of this, you click, you touch this, and or you just draw here, draw it anywhere. Okay, diameter is 7.5. 7.5. You draw it away from the, and then move it and place it there. Move, select object, enter, and catch this midpoint, and catch this, place it here. Okay. Thereafter you can go for extrude up to the bottom surface, beyond the bottom surface, and then if you keep your model into realistic, and you can see that this solid should be subtracted from these two solids. So you take subtract command, select the bigger solid, enter, and finally you select the solid to be subtract. Okay, you will have some that hole. See, that hole is not because that circle is inside, so let us keep the solid little bit above, move, select object, enter, little bit above, and then subtract. Subtract, select both solids, previous solids, enter, and select the center solid. Okay, you will have the hole with that angle. Okay, then this solid is these two solids should be okay, everything merged together. So you can change the color, double click, and you can change the color if you want. Okay, thank you.